What is your position on property tax increases?
As you know, that City Council has just gone to the rollback rate in order to balance the budget. 79% of our homeowners should see either a decrease or taxes the same as last year. For those that do not fall into that 79%, the homesteaded homeowners will see up to a 3% increase in their taxes. This is to maintain the city so that we are attractive, we continue what we're doing, and we will be positioned as a well-maintained city and attractive to businesses when the economy turns around.
3 years ago, the city of Port St. Lucie had a $900 million budget. Basically, the current council has spent all that money, and due to the economic conditions that are not all their fault, we ran out of money and needed to make budget cuts. Instead of making the proper cuts, as I believe, they decided to go back to the rollback rate, which essentially means they bring in the same amount of money this year that they brought in last year. It's my contention that basically what the city has done is they're unwilling to make the hard choices that need to be made. They've laid off the 24 police officers. They're laying off the guys and girls on the street that are working on both the police department, the utilities department, and anything else on the street. However, they're leaving the upper part of the city management in place, giving out raises. Over $400,000, I believe, is the figure over the last year at the upper side. We have a legal department within the city that has several city attorneys, yet they end up sending and outsourcing the legal work to outside firms. If we're outsourcing, why do we need that many city attorneys? So it's my contention that the budget needed to be contracted, but they're making the poor choices. And instead of making the hard, difficult choices that sometimes need to be made, they've gone to the rollback rate. So if elected, I will move forward and make some of those difficult decisions that some people in the upper part of the city will have to take pay cuts or maybe be laid off. But my goal is to make sure we maintain the services that we're used to on a regular basis. And that means we need to keep the people on the street who are doing the work employed. That includes the police, that includes the utilities, that includes parks, things that we all enjoy. So that's what I would do to lower taxes. I don't think there was any reason to go with the rollback rate this year.